Welcome to Piping Engineering World. Today in this video we are going to learn about layout rules of good practice for piping system. Before we are going to start the video, please click on the bell icon to subscribe us. Now let's begin the video. When laying out equipment and piping systems or pipelines, there are certain rules of good practice that should be followed. These rules are not spelled out in codes or standards, but learned by experience, oftentimes the hard way. Good practice for equipment elevations. Number 1. Place large, heavy equipment at grade. Number 2. Provide housekeeping pads under equipment to facilitate maintenance. Number 3. Provide 3 feet to 5 feet clearance at bottom of vessels, heat exchangers and tanks. Number 4. Provide at least 6-inch clearance under pipes. Good practice for equipment spacing. Number 1. Space storage tanks with flammable contents following NFPA rules. Number 2. Provide about 3 diameter spacing between vertical vessels. Number 3. Provide at least 4 feet spacing between horizontal vessels. Number 4. Provide room to remove vessel internals and heat exchanger tube bundles. Number 5. Provide at least 3 feet space all around pumps. Number 6. In pump houses, provide at least 6 feet wide aisles on either side of pump row. Number 7. Provide at least 8 feet spacing between compressors. Number 8. Make provisions for overhead crane to move or service equipment. Good practice for piping. Number 1. Provide 7-inch clearance between NPS2 pipes. Number 2. Provide 12-inch clearance between NPS6 pipes. Number 3. Provide 20-inch clearance between NPS12 pipes. Number 4. Group pipes to minimize supports and congestion. Number 5. Route pipes east-west and north-south, not at angles or diagonals. Number 6. On racks, place pipe below electrical conduit or cable trays. Number 7. Enter and exit vessels at opposite ends for mixing. Number 8. Inlet at top and exit at bottom, unless process dictates otherwise. Number 9. Inlet at bottom of inner tubes or coils to keep full on loss of pressure. Number 10. Place mantles facing same direction. Good practice for valves. Number 1. Control, check and relief valves must be sized by calculation. Number 2. Locate and group valves for ease of access. Number 3. Provide retaining clamp to avoid fall of the valve chain operators. Number 4. Provide extension stems out of confined space. Number 5. Place isolation block valves at headers and equipment nozzles. Number 6. Choose cast steel body rather than cast iron where there is a risk of dynamic load. Good practice for pump piping. Number 1. Support pipe at suction and discharge nozzles. Number 2. Verify pump alignment before and after connecting pipe. Number 3. Install pipe by starting at pump nozzle and piping away. Number 4. Provide temporary supports during pipe installation. Number 5. Use eccentric reducer with flat atop to avoid trap tear. Number 6. Provide 5 straight pipe diameters at inlet and outlet of pump. Number 7. Use long radius elbows past inlet and outlet straights. Number 8. Provide strainer at pump suction. Number 9. Place check valve between outlet nozzle and outlet isolation valve. Number 10. Place relief valve between positive displacement pump and isolation valve. Number 11. Mate flat face pump flange to flat face pipe flange. Number 12. Align flanges accurately before bolting. Number 13. Follow a written bolt-up procedure. Number 14. Provide a braided hose or bellows at nozzles if vibration expected. Good practice for compressor piping. Number 1. Refer to pump piping. Number 2. Check risk of acoustic resonance by analysis. Number 3. Provide for surge chambers. Number 4. Allow for expansion of hot pipeline downstream of compressor. Number 5. Avoid condensate pockets at inlet. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel.